3 best move to earn games like StepN and Fitfi. The cryptocurrency space has proven to be a very dynamic space with limitless possibilities and rounds of innovation. We see these innovations all the time in the cryptocurrency space, especially since the 2020 Defi craze. Since the Defi summer of 2020, new types of innovations such as NFT, play to earn, M2E, Metaverse, Programmable Stablecoins, and so on have emerged. The current hype in crypto is move to earn, which follows the popular play to earn model that most Metaverse and NFT coins have adopted. But before we get into the details about the best coins, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's start the video with an explanation of what is move to earn. So move to earn it. M2E apps allow users to earn passive income while engaging in routine physical activities. The move to earn gamification works similarly to the play to earn gamification in that players completely own their in-game assets, which can be exchanged for crypto or fiat money according to their terms. StepN GMT pioneered the move to earn concept, which is now being followed by other games such as Fitfi, all of which revolve around the idea of rewarding or tokenizing physical movements. Some are still in beta, but it's something to keep an eye out for. Now, if you are clear about what is a move to earn, so let's delve into the other 3 best move to earn coins, which can also go parabolic like StepN and Fitfi if the trend is taking over the crypto industry. And the first one is DOS. DOS, which is available from November 2021, is the primary utility asset for the OliveX gamified fitness ecosystem. Users earn DOS tokens by completing workout-based gameplay and titles such as Dustland Runner, Dustland Rider, 22 push-ups, and others on the platform. Users are rewarded with DOS tokens for completing activities that allow them to buy NFT, unlock items, take part in special events, and so on. OliveX is a leading gamified fitness developer based in Asia. For those who are unfamiliar with the company, it is constructing a fitness metaverse in which players can work out in a variety of settings, such as at home or the gym, and earn token rewards. OliveX's strategy and vision are to develop and invest in several move-to-earn titles to build a fully open and interoperable metaverse in collaboration with a number of strategic partners. And you can purchase DOS on Gate, EO, Uniswap, V2, OxMex, PancakeSwap, V2, SushiSwap, ApeSwap, VSC, Ox, Who, and more. Then on our number 2 comes Genopets and Genopets and is also available from November 2021, is the world's first Solana-based move-to-earn NFT-based game. The game, inspired by Pokemon Go, incorporates the popular play-to-earn model, allowing users to earn rewards for collecting NFT monsters known as Genopets. Users can earn Gene tokens by connecting their Fitbit to their Genopets account. Tokens can be used to improve your Genopets appearance and performance, as well as to craft valuable items. Genopets also has a battle arena where players can compete in fast-paced mini-games for movesets and item rewards from opponents. Gene is not only the primary Solana-based utility asset distributed to users as rewards, but also it enables holders to vote on proposals initiated by the Genopets DAO that shape the project's future. And now, if you want to purchase Gene, then you can purchase on FTX, Bybit, Radium, PancakeSwap, V2, Next, BeakX, Who, etc. And finally, let's talk about the final move to earn a high-potential project known as Dotmoovs and MOOV. Launched in June 2021, Dotmoovs is one of the most anticipated move-to-earn tokens on the market. Dotmoovs has a fully functional mobile app that allows users to compete against other users in freestyle soccer performances, incentivizing players to practice and earn rewards. Furthermore, the platform includes a robust NFT marketplace. It may also become the next cryptocurrency TikTok once its dance features are released and users can compete in dance competitions. We all know how popular TikTok is, and it wouldn't be surprising if Dotmoovs not only onboards millions of users to its platform, but also introduces them to cryptocurrency. MOOV is the native token to the platform that users receive as a reward for winning, and you can purchase MOOV on Gate, EO, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, BitGlobal, etc. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about any move to earn game, so as I always say, do mention that below in the comment box, and also let us know if you think this new trend is going to go even higher or not. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.